Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a bilateral ear wax removal video for you. So we can see some very hard and dried up wax in this patient's ear. So we're just going to use a little bit of microsuction just to do a bit of gentle probing on this wax, just to see just how tough this is. You can see we're able to break little pieces away. What I'm looking to do here ideally is to maybe just break a little dent into the front of the wax so that we can use the Jobson horn then to get into that and bring it forwards. So we're just going to use the Jobson horn now. Now we've created a little gap, we can just put some gentle pressure on the bottom of the wax, and because it's so solid it should then pull out in one piece. You can see just how tough this wax is. So this is quite old wax. Wax dries and oxidizes as it gets older, so it darkens in colour and hardens up. There we are, and just starting to see it manoeuvre out to the canal there. Little bits of old dead skin and fresher wax. There's the lump there. So there we go, nice clean ear canal, and the eardrum there looks nice and healthy. So we have the same problem on the other side. Very hardened up wax here as well. The reason I'm trying not to go over the top of the wax. When the wax is as blocked as this is in the ear canal, right to the very edges of the canal all the way around, sometimes to push the Jobson horn over the top of that wax then can be really uncomfortable for the patient. So I try as best I can to use the centre of the wax, especially when it's really hard like this, to manoeuvre it forwards, as we're doing here. You can see it's not always ideal because it does break through sometimes, as we've got happening on this piece of wax. So it just starts to break apart a little bit, but by bringing this wax forwards then we can then get a more comfortable grip behind it using the Jobson horn. So you can see not going in too deep, just literally behind that edge and bringing it forwards. I'm going to lose sight of it here for a second or two just because it dropped into the bowl of the ear, and there it is. Just using the suction to pick that up. A little bit of dry skin there on the left hand side and a little bit further in, so we're just going to use the suction just to clear this away. There you go, luckily it all came away in one piece, and there's the eardrum. So looking nice and healthy. So these are the two pieces we took away and a little bit we broke off at the beginning there. These are the tools we use, so the standard size ulnar tube and the Jobson horn. You can see a good 1.5 centimeters on for each of those pieces, so really blocking this patient's ear up. Well, thank you again for watching today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, then please like and share, and if you've got any suggestions, pop them into the comments below. We do try and read all the comments, and as always, take care.